Hi, I'm Scott Babbitt with Texas Direct Roofing and Construction, here on site with the full roof replacement here in Hurst, Texas. Yeah, we're here doing this job for my wife's friend. She filed her claim. Insurance only bought half the roof. The other roofer she was working with decided he didn't want to do it, ghosted her, and we were able to step in and help get the entire roof bought. Now we're also redecking it. If you or anyone else that you know needs any roof repairs, roof replacement, or anything construction, let us know.